There's one thing I know for certain is that I'm loved and taken care of. That means lots of snuggles, long walks, and all our favorite little routines together. I'm teaming up with the maker of Heartgard Plus to let everyone know that every month she gives me my Heartgard chews for heartworm disease prevention. It also treats and controls hookworms and brown worms, and because it's made with real beef, it's so yummy. Year-round, monthly uses provides protection that gives us peace of mind on all our adventures. Ask your veterinarian if Heartgard Plus chews are right for your dog. Following the use of Heartgard Plus in dogs, digestive and neurological side effects and itching have been reported.